You've already got so many liquor bottles and all that seized. Even cash has been seized in large quantities. But this is the dangerous time after after the campaigning has stopped, because door-to-door campaigning is going on. Even then, at that time there could be a bribery, there could be money being distributed. How do you stop that?
Okay, as you rightly said, yes, this is a time when everything was over yesterday by 6 p.m. I mean, there's no campaigning technically since yesterday. But now people can approach door to door in the name of giving them, say, water slip or some last minute appeal. Yeah, we are quite alert, and I can tell you all our team members, election team, our police team, our security team, our expenditure people, then excise people are on the job. They are keeping with their eyes and ears very open. And I am very proud that though not only we are doing it in Delhi, but also our district collectors, our officers, UP and Haryana, because we have got the borders with our UP and Haryana also. They are our officers, other side of the border of Delhi. They are also mounting the same vigil, same initiative, same inspection, same verification.
So liquor shops are closed all over Delhi, and also including in neighboring areas for 8 kilometers.
Yeah. We have asked all our DGPs and chief secretaries of our neighboring state, because we have already closed the bar and beer shop and liquor shop since last. I mean, we conduct 2 days before that, 48 hours. I'm very proud to say we have also seized quite a big number of this liquor. I think about more than 12,000 bottles of liquor has been seized in last few days. And today and tomorrow still our people are mounting vigil. I'm sure our people will catch it. Regarding case, we have seized about some 37 or 38 lakhs. Of course, Delhi being a educated center, people are not amenable to, I won't say, I mean, I believe, because this is my experience of last 5 years. People of Delhi, even though they come at a lower, some of them are in lower strata, they are not inclined to accept money or liquor, as it is being done in other parts of the country. Yeah.
So there are 12,000 plus polling stations, but the last time you'll have to keep them open late at night because in 2013 elections, because there were so many people coming in late in the evening to vote. What kind of provisions have you made, that you might have a big rush of people voting?
Why the voting goes beyond 6 p.m.? Say we are opening at 8 a.m. Why should the voting goes beyond 6 p.m.? And none of the so-called 12,000 polling stations that we have in our state of Delhi, they don't have a voter string of more than 1,200 or 1,300. So if we calculate roughly around 70%, not more than 700 to 800 people will vote. So why should take so much time? But one area which can lead to delay and poor speed of voting is because of delay in identification, delay in process. So we have told our polling staff, our district election officers, all our team in the election polling station that at no cost there shall be delay. Not a single voter should stand more than 5 to 10 minutes. Anybody in this country, anywhere in the world, if he's an Indian voter, he can locate his name and place of voting through that internet in our portal, voter service portal. You can even today you can go and see in the next 5 minutes where is your polling station, which is your serial number, whether your name is correct or not, everything is available.
Are there any restrictions on people who are coming in from outside Delhi?
For the whole our country, Delhi is the capital. People come, students come, employees come for ABCD work, business, transaction. But in our people will be observing very close. People will be under close watch. Who is coming on genuine purpose, who is not coming on the genuine purpose. If the intention is malafide, of course our instructions are very clear. No outsider will be allowed to stay in that area if he or she is not a voter or a candidate.
So why is the print media left out of this media restrictions, and now we can see a lot of campaigning that takes place in the print media even on these last 2 days?
You see, Mark, we tried our best 30 years ago when the television, Doordarshan and all our TV channels. Today we have got more than 800 TV channels in our country. In about 30 years ago, when we have just joined the service, Election Commission tried their best to make both the print and the electronic media on the similar line. There is a there's a legal restriction on the electronic media, but the same restriction does not apply to our print media. On the day of polling also, on the day of tomorrow you have a polling day, even tomorrow our people will take out the advertisement. My message to all our voters, not only of Delhi, but also we have got 6 by-elections in the whole country. My appeal to all my voters, not only of Delhi, but all our country, that people should come out in large number. Those who have got the voting right, who got the APIC card, please do come and vote, and vote for people who will do you some good in your life. Thank you.